Episode 1 Introduction to St Francis Xavier. Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to begin a journey with you into the fascinating life and mission of one of the most influential figures in the history of Christianity, St Francis Xavier. This series of talks will dwell deep into the life and legacy of this remarkable individual, and for our first episode, we will lay the foundation with an introduction to St Francis Xavier and the historical context in which he lived. St Francis Xavier. Who was he? St Francis Xavier, often referred to as the Apostle of the Indies and the patron saint of missionaries, was a 16th century Jesuit priest who dedicated his life to spreading Christianity in regions far and wide. He was born on 7th April 1506 in the Kingdom of Navarre, a part of what is now modern-day Spain. From this humble beginning, he will go on to become one of the most important Christian missionaries of his time and a significant figure in the history of the Catholic Church. Let us take a look at the historical context, Xavier's lifetime. To understand truly the impact and the significance of St. Francis Xavier's life and mission, we need to take a step back and consider the historical context in which he lived. Xavier's life spanned a period of tremendous change and exploration. He lived in the 16th century, a time when Europe was in the midst of the Renaissance and the age of exploration. The Catholic Church was a dominant force in people's life, and the desire to expand Christianity to new lands was fervently embraced. The Church was also undergoing its own transformation during this time. With the rise of the Jesuits, the Society of Jesus, a religious order founded by Ignatius of Loyola, which Xavier would eventually join. The Renaissance was in full swing, marked by a revival of art, culture, and intellectual pursuits. This cultural revival was not limited to Europe. It had global repercussions, as exploration and trade routes were being established to connect the nations. Geographically, this was a period of discovery and conquest, with explorers like Columbus and Magellan opening up new worlds. The known world was expanding, and Europe was connecting with Africa, Asia, and the Americas in ways it had never done before. Now, let us glance at the formation of Xavier's mission. It is within this backdrop of change, exploration, and religious fervor that St. Francis Xavier's mission took shape. He was profoundly influenced by Ignatius of Loyola and became one of the earliest members of the Society of Jesus. The Jesuits were known for their discipline, zeal, and dedication to spreading the Christian faith. In episode 2, we will dwell deeper into the early life and education of St. Francis Xavier, exploring the events that led him to join the Jesuits and how his experiences with Ignatius shaped his calling. One can very well say that St. Francis Xavier's life and mission are best understood within the context of the dynamic and transformative 16th century. As we proceed through this series, we will explore the incredible journey of this missionary and the impact of his work on different parts of the world. Thank you for joining me for this introduction, and I look forward to delving deeper into the life and mission of St. Francis Xavier in the episodes to come. Stay tuned to episode 2, where we'll explore his life and education.